How to master the art of small talk. 5 proven techniques for meaningful connections. Ever been stuck in a conversation that feels as awkward as a silent elevator ride? You're not alone. In today's world of endless distractions, mastering small talk isn't just about filling silence. It's about creating connections that matter. Welcome to Mindscape. Today we're breaking down 5 science-backed techniques to turn small talk into big opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll know how to listen deeply, spark engaging conversations, and leave a lasting impression. Even if you're chatting through a screen, let's dive in. 1. The power of observation. Active listening. Great small talk starts with your ears, not your mouth. Active listening is your secret weapon. Pay attention to nonverbal cues. A raised eyebrow, a relaxed posture, or even a hesitant pause. These subtle signals reveal what words alone can't say. In virtual meetings, focus on the speaker's background or tone. Did they mention a hiking photo behind them? That's a gold mine for follow-up questions like, "Where's your favorite trail?" And here's the kicker. Summarize key points. Try. So you're saying remote work lets you explore your passions, like photography? This shows you're not just hearing, you're understanding. Remember, generic nods, kill conversations. Specific responses. That project sounds intense. How did you manage it? Keep them alive. 2. Finding common ground. Shared interests. Next, uncover shared interests. In our digital age, people broadcast their passions online. Spot a sustainability-themed LinkedIn post. Ask, what's one eco-friendly habit you're proud of? Use open-ended questions tied to trends. Have you tried that viral mindfulness app everyone's raving about? What's your take on the latest Marvel series? But here's the rule. Be authentically curious. If you're faking interest, they'll sense it. Dig deeper with, why does climate activism matter to you? Instead of a bland, cool hobby. 3. Conversation starters. Icebreakers that work. Ditch, how's the weather? For conversation starters with punch. Try these. If you could have dinner with any fictional character, who would it be? Perfect for pop culture fans. What's a podcast that changed your perspective? Ideal for fellow Mindscape listeners. Pro tip. Use local happenings or tech trends. Did you catch the new AI feature rollout to spark discussions? Even a simple, "I love your mug, where's it from?" can unlock stories. 4. Storytelling for connection. Craft your narrative. Stories glue people together. Share a relevant anecdote. Maybe that time you bombed a presentation but learned to laugh about it. Keep it short, funny, and relatable. Tailor your story to the listener. Chatting with a parent. Highlight a parenting win. With a gamer, mention your Wordle obsession. The goal? Resonate, not ramble. And don't forget, humor disarms. A lighthearted, "I once tried DIY haircuts" spoiler. It went viral. For the wrong reasons builds instant rapport. 5. Beyond the surface, leaving a lasting impression. Finally, shift from small talk to big talk. Gently ask, what's something you're excited about right now? If they mention a hobby, follow up later. How'd that cooking class go? Remember details. Jot down notes post-convo. Maria loves jazz. Planning a trip to New Orleans. This shows you care beyond the moment. and always end with actionable warmth. Let's swap podcast recommendations. I'll DM you my list. Ready to transform your conversations? Hit subscribe for more tips on communication, creativity, and connection. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to icebreaker? Let's learn from each other. DJ, until next time, keep listening, keep connecting, and remember, small talk is your gateway to big opportunities. See you in the next Mindscape.